Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to find out how to find the standard error in probability calculations. So we're going to start with our problem that says, suppose the mean score for the critical reading test cited in the previous problem is 580. So it's telling you that the mean from the last problem you already know to be 580, so you can fill in the mean as 580. So now we go on to read the rest of the problem. What is the probability that a random sample of 500 students will have a mean score of less than 575 and more than 590? So in order to solve this problem, we're going to need to find the standard error first. And the equation for standard error is you do the equal sign, and then you have your standard deviation divided by the square root, and on Excel it's SQRT, parentheses, the square root of your sample size. So you just need those two numbers to find your standard error, hit enter, and you get 5.14. So now you can go on to solving what the question's actually asking, which is the probability that a random sample of 500 students will have a mean score of less than 575. So you'll start there and you use the normal distribution equation. So you do equal sign, norm dot dist, right here, double click. So basically down here it gives you a run through of what you're going to need to plug in to find this. So your x value is given in the problem as 575. And then your mean is right here. And then you do the standard error that you just found. And then for cumulative, you just write true. Close your parentheses, hit enter. You get 0.165, which is like a probability of 16.5%. Now moving on to if the mean is greater than 590. So you do almost the same thing, except you do equals 1 minus, because instead of finding less than 590, you're finding greater than. So you're basically subtracting what your answer would be from 1. So you do 1 minus norm distribution, same equation as last time, but this time for the x, you're going to enter 590 instead of 575. Then you do the same mean as last time, same standard error, and true. End your parentheses, and hit enter, and that's all you have to do.